It's me again, Erica. It is so lovely to be able to get these videos done today. This one is another Target beauty box. This one is called Be Beautiful. Okay. They had these and they're $7 a piece. I don't know if they still have them anymore. I bought 4 different ones. I got an email. I was like, oh, look at that. It says, hello, be beautiful. And it comes with coupons like the last one on some of the products that are in here that we won't look at for now. All right, the first thing is, I might say this wrong, Carafix shampoo for severely damaged hair, which mine kind of is right now. This is Protein Infusion Shampoo Nexus by Nexus. Let's see if it smells good. Shampoo's got to smell good. Oh, it has a beautiful scent. Hopefully the conditioner's in here too. All right. We have an e.l.f. Gotta Glow Lip Tint in Perfect Pink. Let's see. They have some wonderful packaging. If you watched the last one of the other unboxings for Wake Up and Makeup, the packaging was silver for their Bare thing there too. And it's very beautiful. Look at that. Stepping up their game. I love e.l.f. makeup. Oh, that is barely gonna be there. You can see the little pink tint. It's not bad. I don't know why I smelled it, but not bad. Pretty packaging. Okay, trash. All right, and here we have Simple Sensitive Skin Water Burst Molecular Makeup Remover Pads, eye pads. This would work great because some of my makeup lately has not been wanting to come off my eyes. I am not sure what's going on. Oh, I'm so excited. Look, I did a cut crease. This eye turned out better. I did a half cut crease. Oh, it looks stunning in real life. But when I get good at it, I'll do a video tutorial. And I saw a tutorial by Anna Manning last night, and that's where I got the idea. And it was perfect, except for I messed up on this one. But simple. All right. Oh, yep, we did get the conditioner. I bet that's what this is. Yep, Carafix Damage Healing Conditioner Protein Infusion by Nexus. Oh, and it has a wonderful scent too. Smells just like the other one. Okay, let's see what else. There's 3 more products left after this. This is Sinful Colors Professional Nail Polish in the color Wonderment. Looks like a beautiful color. Perfect for spring. Let's see what the applicator looks like. Just like a nail polish. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, still got that strong nail polish scent. My boyfriend's mother had COPD, so I haven't used nail polish in so long because the smell was too strong. So, all right. But she passed away back in September, right after Hurricane Harvey hit us. I'll just get all 3 of these out. Okay, this I believe is a vitamin grapefruit glam. 1 serving. It's called Ollie. It's for your hair, skin, and nails. I haven't tried them yet, so I don't know anything about them. I will try to do some research before I post this video Wednesday. Detox Brightener Clay to Mousse. Pure Clay Cleanser, L'Oreal Paris. Three pure clay and charcoal. Oh, yeah. It's got charcoal in it. All right. And this one is Honest Beauty Younger Face Deep Hydration Cream. It's just a sample size. Honest Beauty, I have heard some really good things about. And you hear my son chiming in, right? And I'm excited to try this because if they're within a decent range of price, I don't mind trying to get it. But like again, Honest Beauty. And this was the Be Youthful box. I will check it out before I put it online to see if they're still selling them. But that's what you get in the Be Youthful with a lot of coupons. So, thank you. See you in the next one.